Well, good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Hey, I'm out cruising around. Gonna run a few errands today. I got to go to the post office and stuff, and thought I'd bring you guys with me. Now, a little bit of a surprise. Not going to show you the whole thing this morning, but we do have a new vehicle for the channel. Now, I've been talking about this a little bit over the last maybe week or two or month or, I don't know, a while. And I finally did it. I picked it up yesterday. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys what it is just yet. There's a reason for that. Going to do a little bit of a giveaway, a little bit of a contest, if you will. And that's going to be covered here in a couple minutes. I'll tell you what that is a little bit further in the video. But let me tell you why I did what I did and what's going on. First of all, I did not trade the Tacoma. I still have the Tacoma. The Tacoma is the long-term staple of the channel, if you will. It's not going anywhere. I'm going to continue modding that thing out, let you guys know what my experiences are with it, and continue making it mine. You know, I do love that little truck. It's a blast to drive. It's awesome to mod, and it still is the best looking truck on the road, bar none. It really is. But I wanted something in addition to the Tacoma, to the channel, something that would kind of go with it, maybe complement it a little bit, maybe give me something that I could compare to it. Maybe not exactly a truly fair comparison, but still a comparison. So that's why I picked this up. Now, I will say, I have never had one of these before. This is the first one of this that I've ever had. Might be a little misleading there, just saying. But I've never had one of these before, specifically. But I've always loved them. I still do. I'm very happy with this one, obviously, or I wouldn't have gotten it. And it should be pretty interesting, I think, on the channel to be able to compare it, like I said, to the Tacoma. Lots of stuff I can do with this. We're going to do kind of a parallel build, if you will, between this and the Tacoma. And I think the value in doing that, there's a lot of people out there, I know, with Tacomas that have an interest in going to this particular model. It might be sort of a natural progression from the Tacoma to this particular model, depending. Or vice versa. You might go from this model back to the Tacoma. I don't know. Depends on your needs, I suppose. So it'll be interesting to see how things are similar as far as, you know, mods and stuff like that, how it performs, how it is reliability wise, and a comparison between the features and stuff that this particular vehicle has as compared to the Tacoma. So it is going to be a long-term build on the channel, if you will. It's going to be around for a while. Like I said, I've never had one of these particular models before. Nice red Tacoma back there. I don't know if you guys saw that. But it's going to be fun, and I'm very excited about it. It's something I've been thinking about, like I said, for a while, probably quite a while, actually. So it's finally here. Now, I mentioned a bit of a contest, right? So here's what it is. It's nothing huge. It's, you know, I'm not giving away $1 million or anything, you know. It's a sticker. You know, I'm going to give away a sticker for the channel, which I think is pretty cool. It doesn't cost you anything. You have bragging rights. You can say you won, you know. You can stick it on your vehicle, which, you know, is what I would want you to do. Let's navigate this turn here. Now we have traffic. So let me get through this turn. You know, I do need to pay attention to the road. Oh, there we go. A little bit of an opening. I guess we're okay. You might be able to hear it a little bit there. Just a little bit. I don't know. It's nothing overwhelming at the moment, I'll say. So what's the contest? Here it is. I want to know if you guys can guess what it is that I'm driving. What did I get? Now it has to be specific. All right, let's get that clear right off the bat. It has to be specific. I want to know the year, the manufacturer, the model, the trim, and the color. Those things. That's what I want to know. And you have to get them exactly right. Exactly right. So let's get that clear from the top. If you don't get all of it exactly right, you don't win. Those are the rules. Not too complicated, I don't think. So the way that you enter this, of course, is to leave a comment down below, and I'll let you know if you got it right. It's pretty simple. Again, channel sticker, I think they're pretty cool. Hopefully you guys like them. We're going to start out with this particular vehicle. I've got a few things that I want to do. I need to get to know this vehicle a little bit better. Again, I've never had this particular, let's say, version, model, whatever. So want to go over it, learn what there is to learn about it that I don't already know, which is probably a few things, I guess. There's also a bit of an update, I guess, with this. A few more things added than I've experienced in the past. So things to discover. Now, one thing I want to mention is the manual. Everybody always gets on me about read the manual, read the manual. I'm not going to read the manual. Let's just get that clear right off. I used to read manuals. I've had umpteen cars over the years, and I used to read the manuals cover to cover, all of it. I don't do that anymore. And part of the reason I don't do that anymore is because I like to discover things as I go, right? I mean, there are things that pop up that surprise me sometimes. And I think that's kind of fun, kind of part of the new experience, if you will. Now, I'm not saying that I never look at the manual. I mean, if I come across something that doesn't make sense to me, or I really don't know what it is, and it doesn't, jump right out at me right away, then I will consult the manual. So for me, I guess the manual is more of a consultation tool. That's what I use it for, and that's what I'll do with this. I've already looked in it once for something I don't remember. By the way, I did just get this yesterday. Now, I'm not sure when this video will go up, but you can be pretty sure that it will have been within the last week, I guess, of when this video goes up. So, loving it so far. Again, this is my first day driving it, so it's not like I have a lot of seat time in it. When I got it, it had 14 miles on it. Now it has 33. So I've driven it, 19 miles? So not a whole lot yet. Of course, we're still in the break-in stage. I do want to break it in properly, so I'm not going to be jumping all over it or anything. And it's funny, a lot of guys, you get a new truck and they say the way to break it in is take it out and just run the crap out of it, just beat it. I don't believe that. I think you need to give everything time to work its way in, to seat properly, wear in the way it's supposed to, like your brakes, for example, pistons, rings, all that mechanical stuff. So I will take my time with it at first, which is okay, because like I said, it's also going to be me getting to know it a little bit. One of the first things that I do need to do on this is get the windows tinted. I do that on every vehicle I've had, and I think it's one of the most cost-effective, one of the most bang for your buck mods that you can do. So that's something that we're going to do hopefully relatively soon coming up. I do need to find a good dedicated tinter here in the RGV. So if there's any of you guys out there watching that maybe are tinters, I don't know, have a shop, or of a good shop here in the RGV, let me know. I'm looking for somebody. I have it done frequently, so let me know. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here, kind of introduce you guys, sort of, to the new vehicle for the channel. Obviously, there'll be more videos. There'll be a reveal on it and all that good stuff. But enter the contest if you'd like. If you want to win a sticker channel, or a channel sticker rather. Remember, you have to have those things answered specifically correct. If not, you won't win. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.